Oh, good day and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2012 Chevrolet Cruze on the hoist. It's nothing but an oil change, but I thought I'd take you along for the ride just so you guys could see what I do when I do an oil change. Um, it's got the 1.4 turbo in it, so it has a cartridge style filter. But I like to check everything under the hood first and then put it up in the air and drain the oil. So let me get set up here and we'll take you along for the journey. How's that sound? Okay, hold on. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is check the air filter in this big black box. I already got these screws cracked free, because sometimes they can become very rusted and strip out, as this one already is. So we just find the size that fits and we get these screws loosened off. We'll wind these out. I don't know why they don't use clips. A lot of vehicles just use pop-off clips and it makes life much easier. You know? Well, this one here is going to be held down like they don't want it coming loose. That's for sure. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing there, but there's screws all the way around. I like to put my eyeballs on things while I'm doing a mundane task like this. You know, just to make sure nothing's going to blow off or break what's going on. Are you going to... Oh, yeah. Yep. Got it. Let's have a boo at the air filter. You can still see light through it. And it looks relatively new. We'll call that good. The air filter is fine. We'll set the box back down and then put the screws back in. That's how we roll. How's everybody's weather doing? Here in southern Ontario, today it's very cold. We haven't had snow for about a day or two, which is good. It seems like I've been moving snow every day. I think we've had more snow this winter, well, just in the last couple months than we've had like in a long time. I do notice that the coolant is very low coolant. So I'll have to keep an eye on that and see if there's any visible leaks. The valve cover, this is the valve cover, it's been changed. It has a Dorman valve cover on it. These were bad for the PCV systems. Yeah, the intake manifold's been changed too, so the updated PCV stuff's been done, but is it doing it again? Because there's a leak there. But is that from before the valve cover was changed? I don't know. Like, it's not that bad, but there is a leak there. I'll have to notify him of. We'll look closer when we get it up in the air. Okay, that's all tightened back down. Okay, let's have a boo around here. Let's get my peepers on things here. My eyeballs are looking at things. You know, I just like to check and make sure things are attached and everything looks okay. You have some nice. This has been apart before, obviously, because the clamp was pushed back. I like to shine a light on things. You know, check the belt. It's got a little bit of wear, but it's not cracked or anything. Okay, I guess we will take the oil filter out because it's up top here. If you don't know where the oil filter is on a 1.4, it is a 24 millimeter. It goes down in here. And you need an extension. I don't know if this one's too long. R for reverse. I'm just going to thread this out. I'll take that off there. I'm trying to be careful because on the weekend there, I did exhaust on the Dodge and I darn near cut my finger. I zipped the end right off of it, you know? And I just filled it full of oil, I think. That's not good. Okay. That's my oil filter. Okay, the oil filter is out. Just hang with me here a bit. We'll get it up in the air. We'll try and put our peepers underneath. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. Did I tell you that I hate wintertime? I'm like, it's like, it's like Niagara Falls under here. Stuff falling on you and stuff. I'm getting too old for this nonsense. You know, But if we have a look underneath here, this car I think's been undercoated over the years. But I like to have a look under everything. There's the drain plug I gotta take out. But why? You have washer fluid mixed in with snow. This is very drippy. I don't want to hold my camera under here too long, but I like to have a look at things, you know, put my eyeballs on stuff. I'll check the tire pressures. I need my light. I forgot to turn the other lights on. I'll make sure he's got snow tires on here, so we'll make sure the tires are round and full. Make sure there's no big scrapes. Check the struts. Make sure we don't have any broken springs or anything, you know. I have to try and upsell things, but just to keep people safe. It's very, very drippy. The shocks aren't leaking. The springs look okay. There isn't anything big that's gonna get down there. We're getting a little bit of crusties here. Nothing to worry about though. See, I just like to look. I'm not going to go in the middle there because it's full of those swashbuckler things. I'm going to get dripped on. Okay, let me grab a oil drain pan and we'll be back. Okay, we've got it up. We're draining the oil. I'm just checking tire pressures. See if this bad girl has any low tires. Sorry for all the... See, this one's at 15 pounds. Like I was saying, sorry for all the extra noise. My heater's running. Trying to keep it warm in here. It's like you put a big ice, open the door, and you put a big ice cube in here, and then it gets real cool fast. $20. 25. 28. 32. That's 32. 32. Definitely 32. I think that's what these are, but I'll double check when I get the car down. There should be a tag on the driver's side B pillar when you open the driver's door that tells you how much air it likes. And that's what you should go by. Okay, that one there's at 40. But we're going to let a little bit of air out of there. A little bit more. There we go. 32. I think 40 is just way too much. Way too much. Okay, I'm going to continue checking the other side tires and we'll be back. Okay, guys and gals, we're back. I've got the housing all cleaned up and I put the new seal on the outside there, the new filter in. We're just going to want to be gentle. Slide it in the canister. And the O2 sensor is in my way. Come on, honey. Oh, there we go. Maybe. There we go. We just had to do a little wiggling and jiggling. Make sure when you put that new seal on, you get a coat of fresh oil on it. That way it threads in nice, and then the next guy who does it that doesn't have a problem coming out. You know, just like a regular old oil filter. And we have our 24 millimeter again, our extension and our ratchet. I would have shown you more under the car, but I was trying to move a little bit faster than normal because it's wet. It's like ice bullets, chunks coming down and hitting me. Make sure you tighten that up. You don't have to give it like 700 ooga doogas. You just need to make sure it's snug. It's just plastic. Okay. I'm going to fill this up with some fresh 5W30 synthetic. And we'll be back. I might have to get a helper to help me check the lights. I like to, the last thing I'll do is I'll check the lights and then I'll lube all the door hinges and stuff for the customer. Okay, hold on. Okay, so it looks like my helper has arrived. Hey, buddy, are you my light checker today?
Yes, I am.
Okay, hop in this bad mammy jammy. And you'll need that key there, honey. And you'll need to turn the key to like on.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll go to the back here. I'm going to the back. Okay, put your foot on the brake, please. Okay, we have brake lights. Okay, left signal. Do you have the left signal on? Okay, is the key all the way on? There you go, honey. Left signal, yep. Right signal, please. Yep. Okay, do your brakes and backup lights, please. Are you in reverse? Jiggle it around. Okay, we have no reverse revac lights. What's going on there? Reverse, go down one, go up one, and go to park. Down to reverse. Oh, maybe it's got to be running. Put it in park, honey, and start it up, and then put it in reverse. Oh, there we go. Yep. Park. Shut it off before we croak. Okay, just turn the key back on all the way again. And then let's do the headlights. Turn the headlights on, please. That's the right signal. Do I need to come help you? You should just turn the stock, right? Okay, nothing. Oh, there we go. Yep, high beams, low beams, pull it. Yep, okay, now do your left signal, please. Ma'am, light checker lady. Okay. All right, make sure it's in park. And then shut the key off. Shut the headlights off. Beautiful, you did a good job. Can you bring the key out, please? How was that?
That was challenging.
Yeah?
Oh, the lights are still on.
That's just the exit lights.
Oh,
The perimeter lighting. So how much are you charging me for that?
That's on the host.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, now I'm gonna lube. I am gonna lube all the door hinges because that's just the kind of guy I am. You know, make it nice. Work it in. Work the lube in. Make it slippery. Are you laughing?
I am.
This young fella has the globe in the back seat of the world.
That's an interesting way to use a roadmap.
Yeah.
Or do people even use roadmaps anymore?
No, they use GPS. They use technology. Yeah. Maybe he's scared that his phone is spying on him.
Yes.
Okay, and then I just like to give the hood linkage there a little spray. And we take our hood prop rod. That is what I like to do during an oil change. I've already reset the oil change light, but I will put a sticker on it. And we will text the customer or call them and tell them it's ready for pickup. I will talk to you the next time. Bye. Say bye, honey.
Say bye, honey.
Bye.
Bye.